Thank you, Vikas. Good morning. Honorable Vice Chancellor, DVC, Deans on the dais, my faculty colleagues and students. Okay, I'm here to introduce School of Law and explain the academic programs of School of Law. School of Law is the oldest school in Sai University. Sai University is very young, but we are the oldest. We were set up in 2020, and the first academic program of Sai University was rolled out by School of Law, which is Daksha Fellowship. In 2021, we started LLM. I'm scared to say the word LLM now because AI, computer science and all, it's Legum Magister or Legum Mastere, not large language model as AI and computer science students know. In the year 2022, we started our 5-year integrated BA LLB honors program. So our first batch of students are entering into the 4th year. I congratulate all the students who have joined for BA LLB. It's the longest academic program that Sai University offers. It's a 5-year program. So your colleagues, your friends would be passing out after 3 years, 4 years, but you will be here for 5 years. Legal profession is known as a profession, first of all. BTech students are entering into a profession. Have you ever thought of what a profession means? What do you mean by a professional course? Or what do you mean by a profession? When I was studying, I am coming from the state of Kerala. During the monsoon, almost every day, the district collector used to announce holiday. And the announcement was something like this: all educational institutions except professional colleges, it's a holiday. And I wondered why. It's the same rain, same flood that we have to go through, but students of professional colleges have to go to the college. It's only later in life that I realized what profession means. Profession means when you keep the interest of your patient or client above yours. That is a profession. Okay. So for a doctor, if there is a patient who requires immediate attention, he has to leave the birthday celebration of his child and run to the hospital. Recently, I lost one of my closest friend. He died, and for the funeral, we didn't see his closest friend. He was not there, a lawyer. And he arrived just in time when the body was immersed. And we were very angry. His closest friend, why didn't you come? Why you were not there for the whole day? He said that there was the bail hearing of my client today in court. If I didn't go, if I sent my junior, he wouldn't have got bail. So a profession means, so LLB students who are entering this, please keep this in mind. Your interests take a backstage. It's the interest of whom you are serving which takes upper hand. Second, law is considered as a learned profession. I request all of you to close your eyes for a second. Close your eyes, don't sleep, close your eyes. And imagine, please close your eyes, yeah, everyone. And imagine a lawyer's office. Okay, open your eyes, and what did you see? In a lawyer's office, nothing black. You might have seen books. Okay, in the back side, you might have seen books. It's a learned profession. You are entering into a life where it is going to be continuous learning. You cannot stop learning after you complete your studies. 2 subjects that I really like teaching is competition law and environmental law. I never studied. Environmental law as a subject did not exist when I did my LLB. Professor Leela Krishnan has not even thought of inviting Armin Rosenkrantz to Cochin University to design that syllabus for environmental law when I did my LLB. Competition law came only in 2002 when I started teaching. So you have to continuously study, continuously learn as part of this learned profession. The third thing which makes LLB distinct or legal studies distinct is that it is a licensed profession. To practice, you need license from the Bar Council. I can see some excitement when I said the said bar. It's not the bar that you see on OMR, it is Bar Council, which controls legal education and legal profession. So only if you are licensed by the Bar Council, you are entitled to practice this profession. So you are entering into an exciting field, a professional course, a learned profession, a licensed profession. Coming to the LLB program that we have, what you are going to study here is not law. Okay, we may be teaching you code of civil procedure and all, but it is not possible for you to learn all the laws in this 5 years. We may be only touching the tip of the iceberg. What in the 5 years that you are going to study is the skill sets which are needed for a lawyer. And the skill sets, one skill set, I think, I thought that after Vice Chancellor's address, all the LLB students would leave, because you broke that great news that 40% of the jobs will be lost if AI comes. If you stayed back, it shows one of the greatest skills that a lawyer needs: resilience, adaptability. Okay, you will be adapting to the new situation. You will be resilient to anything. If you fail, if you lose a case in the morning, in the afternoon you will go with the same spirit and win another case. Communication skills, that is needed. Analytical research skills. All these are the skills that you will be learning in the next 5 years in your study here. We have an exciting faculty here. All of you are Gen Z. Our faculty are millennials. I am the only one, no doubt, not a baby boomer from the next generation. So we have a faculty, young, exciting faculty who understands your lingo, okay, the language that you are using. I asked a student after my class, how was my class? He said, basic. I thought it was a compliment. Okay, I could teach him something very basic. I went home and told my daughter that, got the best compliment in life, basic. So she said, cringe. Okay, so we have our faculty members who understand your language. When you say ris, sus, all these languages that they understand, I don't understand. We have a young, committed faculty member who has taught or studied in the best of the places. We have Vikas Muralidharan, who is the MC for this program, who is a great professor. Also, yeah. Also, he is, you might, if you go to YouTube, you will realize that he is also a great stand-up comedian. Okay, and he teaches the greatest comedy law subject, family law. Okay, marriage, divorce, all those things he teaches. Yeah, we have, I have Anand Srivas, who is an expert in business law, who has taught in the best law schools in India. I have Dr. J.C. George, who is an expert in procedural law and criminal law, who has studied in many very important institutions. I'm also joined by Sharat Mohan, Samudyada, Anvesh Bakki. All these exciting faculty members are there. I know that many of you want to join law school. Admissions are closed, but if you are interested, we offer minor in law. We offer minor in basic law. If you take 6 courses which you have identified, you may get a minor in basic law. We also offer a minor in business law and another minor in technology, law, and policy. So all the best. You are starting a great journey. I wish all the best to all the LLB students and all other students. Have a great time. Okay, bye. Thank you.